My name is Cindy Mattingly, and I am the owner of Healing Way Center. And today I want to share with you about the topic of trauma. So we've all had these events in our life where you had a physical injury, or someone in your life, or you yourself got a divorce, or there was a betrayal. And trauma is this deeply disturbing energy that can get stuck in our system. On April 27th at Dundee Park in Andover from 2 to 4, Betsey Beaven and myself will be sharing our years of experience working with trauma. Betsey's going to be sharing from a homeopathic standpoint, and I'm going to be showing and sharing ideas or ways to release this kind of energy. It can get stuck in the physical body, the emotional body, the mental, and the spiritual. And this will inform what we say to ourselves or to others. Oh, I'm this way because of this event that happened. And so when someone uses that kind of language, I'm thinking, okay, so traumatic energy is stuck. So if you're curious about ways to release this type of energy, check it out on healingwaycenter.com. Sign up. Hopefully I'll see you there, and look forward to it.